How to remove TurboTax Live. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove TurboTax Live from your return. Let's get started. If you began your tax return using TurboTax Live, you can remove it by clearing your return and starting over, but only if you haven't made any payments yet. Once your return is cleared, you'll have the option to choose a different TurboTax product that better fits your needs. Now, if you started with a different version of TurboTax and later added TurboTax Live, here's what you need to do. 1. Open your tax return and select the File tab. 2. Continue through the steps until you reach the Just a Few Steps Left screen. 3. Under Step 1, Review Your Order, click Start or Revisit. 4. On the Summary screen, choose Downgrade if the option is available. If you don't see the downgrade option, or if you've already used the Tax Expert feature, you'll need to clear your return and start over. Again, only if you haven't paid yet. After that, you can switch to a TurboTax version that works best for you. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more how-to guides. Thanks for watching.